Well, hello everybody. Today we're making crispy zucchini fries. Let's jump right into the recipe. Now, for the zucchini, I'm using a large one here, but any regular zucchini will work just as well. First, we'll cut off both ends of the zucchini and slice it into 4 long cylinders. Once I've cut the zucchini into long cylinders, I'll split each cylinder in half lengthwise. This will make it easier to scoop out the soft tissue and seeds from the center. This step is only necessary if you're using an extra large zucchini. If you're working with a regular size zucchini, you can skip this part. Now all that's left to do is cut the zucchini into fry-sized pieces and then set them aside ready for breading. Now for the breading. We'll need 3 stations: flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. I'm using already seasoned Panko breadcrumbs mixed with Italian breadcrumbs, also already seasoned. If you're using plain breadcrumbs instead of pre-seasoned ones, I'd strongly recommend adding some salt and pepper to taste. You can also add any other seasoning you like, dried dill, garlic powder, or whatever you prefer to customize the flavor. In the first bowl, I have seasoned flour with salt and black pepper. The same goes for my second bowl, where I've seasoned the eggs with salt and black pepper to make sure everything is flavorful. Now friends, this is a simple process, though it can be a bit time-consuming. First we'll coat the zucchini fries in flour. This helps them dry out a bit, allowing the egg mixture to coat evenly and ensuring the breadcrumbs stick perfectly to each piece. When you coat the zucchini, be sure to shake off any excess flour first and then do the same with the egg mixture. You want just a light coating on each piece. If there is too much egg or flour, the breadcrumbs will clump together and form thick chunks, which isn't what we want. A light, even coating helps the breadcrumbs stick better and gives us a nice, crispy texture. Next, heat up some cooking oil of your choice in a preheated pan, about half an inch or 1 centimeter deep. Since the zucchini fries are small, they'll cook quickly. Just fry them for about 2 minutes on each side and they should be perfectly crispy and golden. Guys, if you have extra large zucchinis, this is definitely what I'd recommend doing with them. They are awesome. I love them just as they are, but you can definitely dip them in your favorite sauce for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy, friends!